Woohoo! We're going back.
So national treasures, I would say. Enough to go in. Brand new adventure for today with these
Today's
two.
adventure is going to be a
These two
boat trip.
crazy adventurers
Yeah,
as well.
crazy adventurers.
Going on a boat. Gonna be a boat trip kind of day. All
Hopefully
around.
we don't think.
Yeah, hopefully we don't see our last rites today.
No, just kidding.
That's our boat. When?
Let me send them.
We're going first, yeah.
Stop there, right? Here?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Balance it.
It's been a while.
There you go.
Here.
First time?
Yes.
First time, yeah.
First time.
So, here inside, the life jacket,
Okay.
okay, the paper of the boat, the pharmacy, everything inside. Here inside the anchor, okay,
Okay.
2 or 3 meters, not very deep. Here inside the fuel,
Okay.
okay, not any problem. And be careful the propeller.
Okay. How do we sink? How do we put it down?
From here.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I see.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Now here it's shallow water, down like that. Start.
Okay.
Okay. First here, it's forward,
That's
neutral,
let's stop.
and reverse.
Reverse. Okay.
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 And here, it's off.
Okay.
And start again, only neutral. Okay.
Only
Not
neutral.
Here,
Okay.
not here. Only here in the middle.
Neutral.
Okay.
Neutral start. Okay.
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 It's relatively simply.
So, button. Turn the steering wheel.
Turn the steering wheel.
Your steering wheel.
Another side, another side.
Another side. This side. This
Okay.
side.
Yeah. I was steering.
Captain. Turn the steering wheel. This side.
To this side. Okay.
More. Okay, here.
Oh, so it moves from the back.
Oh.
Put the engine
Oh,
in the
uh-huh.
middle. Okay?
Okay.
Put it down.
Put it
it
down.
Button.
Yeah.
Wait there.
Yeah. Press it. Yeah. There you go. Goes in
Okay.
Okay.
Start.
and start. Switch.
The engine is in the middle.
Okay.
That's it.
So I just put it.
Yeah.
Okay. Slow. Captain.
Okay.
Engine in the middle.
Captain.
Turn it, turn it.
understand?
Okay.
Turn it.
Can
There
we-
you go.
Yeah.
Keep it in the middle.
Okay.
Press the button. Put forward. Slowly.
Slowly.
Is that?
Yeah. Press it. Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Don't turn. Just keep it in the middle.
Yeah.
You hold this. I'll do it.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe I need to.
We will all learn it.
Other side.
Okay.
Around here.
I got this.
Captain.
Yeah.
Go there.
On the,
Okay. It's
Yeah.
on this side.
Okay. That. Oh, you need to steer it in. Not like a car. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And now. Okay. It won't be that easy. And now go back. Okay, we got this. Is this on? No, it's not on. Bekapcsolsz.
So he too.
We got our captain.
He's our
Right?
captain.
I'm anxious right now.
I completely understand it. I will be anxious too.
Fine, there's lifeboat. There's life
Wow. What?
life jacket.
Wow.
I think this is the maximum speed.
Yeah, it's fine. It should have been higher.
Turn around.
Wow. Elképesztő. Ez leírhatatlan, amit most csinálunk, bazd meg. Nem igaz. Elmegy. Gondolj bele, hogy az a kecó, azért lemegy és tudnak egy kicsit úszni. There are some sunbeds. Sunbed is private place probably.
Wow.
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay, so now which way do you wanna go? You wanna
I think we should do the last place first.
so
Yeah, the last place is the first one. Yeah, because
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, we got a freaking boat and
szerintem megvan olyan 200 méter.
and the good thing is that it was only 100 euros for the three of us, so we split the cost and we are just off to adventures, going to that island over there, then those islands over there, see some sandy beaches if we can, and explore, you know? This is what life is all about. Live life. So excited for this back.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, why the heck are those guys up there?
I think they're already
Maybe
behind. Yeah, they're already behind.
Maybe they're stuck.
Oh, they're there?
Yeah, they parked it there.
I think
The hell?
like they're with a smaller boat. Or is it a bigger boat?
Yeah, it's a smaller one. Never ever listen to anybody else's advice.
Yeah,
This is what the instructor said.
That's a nice boat. That's a nice boat.
You do your own thing. You do your own thing, explore, learn, adapt, but don't listen to anybody here. The people be doing some crazy stuff, you know. We have a female captain. Ahoy, captain!
Ahoy, ahoy.
Arr!
Arr.
Pirates of the Caribbean stuff. Yeah.
Rosszám nagyobb.
We need to be pirates today.
Rosszám bírt.
Still halfway out, so we'll be there soon. Two, like 4 spots here where there's a turtle beach, there's a clear beach, there are caves. So I'll show you everything today. Safety Jack.
The second.
Yeah.
I think I'm good.
Magnificent. Look at that cave.
Wow. I'm gonna swim in there.
You want to stop and swim?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
slowly,
okay.
slowly. Yeah. Stop the engine.
Stop the engine. How do I do that?
Yeah. Shut up.
Good here?
Good.
Wow, it's so blue.
Put
the
the anchor.
anchor?
Put the anchor.
It's
Take it out,
so
open it.
clean here. So we can
Think you
swim
have to
here?
open the thing from the
Okay.
front, yeah?
No sharks?
Take out the anchor
Okay.
and put it in.
Hi.
Put it down. Hi.
Yeah, put it down all the way, take it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. And untangle it, yeah, like that, and then throw it down.
Let's throw it down.
More, more.
How you guys doing?
Yeah, I think so. Pull it all the way up, pull it all the way up. Yeah, and throw it down now. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And then throw it down.
And now throw it down.
Yeah.
It's enough. To
Yeah.
Do this.
Yeah, it's fine. I
Right.
mean, even if it doesn't, at least we can hold it.
Is it fine?
Yeah, that should be fine. Throw it.
Okay, okay. I'm just checking. Okay.
Hold down. Yeah. That's it.
Problem
Anchor the boat.
Did you bring a towel? Because I need to change.
Oh, you
I didn't bring a towel. It's okay, you can change whatever, I mean.
I mean,
My friend.
Yeah.
Sit down. Sit down.
This gentleman said, you go to the beach if you can't swim. So I can't swim, unfortunately. So I'll just go to the beach. Sit down at the beach. Hope it doesn't charge me for this. Okay, yeah. Okay. Woo. This, lads, look at this. Woo, the water is cold as hell. Yo, I'm so thankful, so glad I'm here. This is amazing. Look at that. Look at this view. The best part about this location is if you're not a good swimmer, you could always come out to the beach. If you're a good swimmer, you can swim in there. And these are just crystal clear waters. I can't even explain, you know, just vividly clear. Like I can't see the rocks underneath. I wish I could swim. I wish I could swim and I could go into one of these caves, but I can't, unfortunately. So I'll just look at the rocks. These are the sea rocks here. This is beautiful. I love it. He's been swimming all the way from that boat. Worked the boat and we came all the way here, this guy.
I don't like the rock.
Now I see why they're teaching me why should I protect the environment. Like,
Yeah,
who would wanna fuck up this?
exactly.
Who?
I mean, some people do. You know.
Yeah, some people do,
They
but
bring their trash here and throw it
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
beach. Things like that.
it's most of the time these companies, you know. In my opinion, but
Yeah.
sorry.
Watch it, watch it. take this all in. I'm gonna show you as much as we can. Let me try to speak. Where are you guys from?
Poland.
From Poland. Nice to meet you. I'm just doing like a vlog. So you're traveling like professionally?
No.
That's for vacation.
No, only
Oh, I
vacation.
see. Why do you? Just a simple question I wanted to ask. What makes you travel?
What makes you travel?
Yeah.
Travel is a
Like,
beautiful experience for me, and it's so funny. Not only I don't speak English very
It's
much.
alright.
I
It's
know.
alright.
You know, because
It makes you
money,
get away.
Money doesn't experience.
Right. It comes and goes.
Yes.
We're gonna check out that thing.
Cool. So this is like your first time here
In Zakynthos, yes.
in Zakynthos,
exactly.
yeah. But you have been in Greece.
Yes.
Yeah, great. You have not been in Greece. I've only been to islands.
Yes.
Only here and Corfu I've been.
Okay. Islands is
But
very beautiful.
yeah, islands are really beautiful, and the mind of the people are different.
Yes.
In the
exactly,
cities,
exactly. Because
cities
we're
is
from
way different.
Poland.
Yeah,
Yes.
I can imagine. Yeah, it's very different, the vibes here. But yeah, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
It's great.
Thank you very
I
much.
wish you the best. Take care.
Thank you.
See you, bro. So yeah, I mean, people travel because they want to unwind. They want to get away from the places that they're stationed at. And they just want to go around the globe, see what they can find, treasures, national treasures, I would say, and enjoy life. So yeah, I am just all by myself here now. Those guys can swim, so they are lucky, fortunate enough to go in to see what the caves are about.
Okay, then we go first.
Да, кичик. Do we go in here? Igen. Megkérdeztem volna a cápa, azt mondta, hogy we're in the cave, guys. Wow, this is beautiful. There are the boats and the view. Woohoo! Ki ne menj. Hát, az ott már nem, oda már szerintem nem is szaladna nagyon. A sting? No, it's not stingray. What is it? A medusa. A medusa stung him. So we're going back.
We have some photo shoots here.
Yeah, but it's a great.
It's a great spot. Look at this park here, folks.
Jó kezdted.
All right, off to next location. It's right up ahead on that side.